Hey, Motorman here. This is going to be just a short video. It's kind of, I call it like a surprise video, but the surprise is going to be good for you as well. Tomorrow, I'm going to pick up a brand new 2020 motorcycle. It's different from any of the bikes that I have now, and you're going to be surprised when you see it. I think if it doesn't rain, right now it's pouring rain, so I may take the truck and trailer up. We'll see what the weather is tomorrow, but the idea is, of course, to be able to ride the bike home. But anyway, if you can guess what it is before tomorrow when I announce exactly what it is, I'm going to give you one of these. This is, take a look at this, Audieu. I think that's French.
Audieu.
I think this is a
Audieu.
I think this is a French
Portable,
made in France probably, but what it is a portable air pump. Comes in a nifty little case. If I can get it out of the case, I've tried it, works very well. Comes with several attachments, so you can blow up your tires. In fact, I blew up a car tire in about 5 minutes, so it works really well. And it comes with the attachments to blow up a raft or anything you've got to blow up. And if you guess what it is that I'm going to be picking up tomorrow morning, I'm going to send this to you. And of course, you got to put it in the comment section, no emails. Put in the comment section what bike you think I'm going to pick up tomorrow. If the first person to guess right, I'm going to send this to you free. All right? I'll see you tomorrow morning.